Capital One 360 checking account. So if you want to open an account or review a checking account on Capital One Bank, either way, I will just recommend you go and open your browser and go to capitalone.com. From here, you want to simply go to checkings and savings, and under checkings, you can see 360 checking account. So obviously, depending upon what information you want, you can click on the 360 checking account button there. From here, you'll be able to see no monthly fees, no minimums, and no overdraft fees, and so on. Here you will see all of the features of the 360 checkings account: the secure bank, get paid, add cash in store, move money. And all you have to do here is, if you decided you want to open an account, you can click on open an account. If you already have an account, you can go to the check-in hub to log into your online or banking account, and then you'll be able to view any sort of details depending on what is it that you want to do. So I hope this video helped you clarify. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon as always in the next video.